My name is Ms. Michaels and I'm Head of Art and Design here at North London Collegiate School, Dubai. Being head of both of those subjects is a real privilege to me as I'm very passionate about both. It's also very important for my students that I expose them to the realities of those subjects outside of the classroom. So here in our department, we make sure that we have a variety of opportunities for our students to engage in art and design outside of the school environment. We take part in 2 subject weeks through the year. We are a member and subscriber of the Big Draw Festival, and we also have Inktober, which is a worldwide drawing activity that takes part over the month of October. We also have a variety of gallery visits, and at the end of the academic year, we have a fantastic celebration of creativity, which is the Arts Festival. This allows external providers to come into the school and give our students opportunities to take part in activities that are outside of the curriculum, which again enriches their practice and I feel is very, very valuable and useful for them. I look forward to seeing you in my department one day soon.